Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Lynette Solar Travels. It's a very good evening, guys. I've been away for a while. This is the status of my home after being away 5 days for work. You can see our goats are coming in. Yeah, I'm happy to be back home after a while. Let's see the progress of our birds, our animals, and the compound. Everything seems okay. Well, now you can see our birds are here. They are very active. Well, Collins, let's see how they are doing. It's very happy to be home, guys, and to find like everything is okay the way you left. Everything is okay. Everything is doing well. Like our birds are doing well. You see? Tell Holly to bring some feed. But they're doing very good. The way I left them. They have started following me. It's as if I'm carrying food. You see, they are following me wherever I'm going. Some in front, some behind. You see, they're coming with me. I don't have food. Like they are very healthy, guys. Nitia Koli alete feeds kidogo. Like they're eating my legs. I'm very surprised. They're really eating grass, guys. Here was very green, but right now they're really eating grass. You see? Like they're really eating grass. And the grass is very important. Grass is very important for them. See, now they are following me. Like they know me. They know I'm around. See them. See them. Like I feel very good seeing them active, running. That's the joy of a farmer, guys. They've really gained weight. Let me hold one and feel. Relax. Hey, it's very heavy, guys. Almost at midpoint. Almost at midpoint. They are very heavy. Almost at midpoint. They are very heavy. Almost at midpoint. You see? Wow. Exactly 3 months. Let's see our young ones. Our last ones are here. See them. They look very healthy. They look very healthy. See them. Let's see them. Guys, I've been away for the last 1 week. And I'm very surprised because they've really grown. They've really grown so fast. Now you see them. They've grown so fast. They've grown so fast. Yeah, Mr. Cole is bringing them some feeds. There they go. Like, people are really eating. See there, they are behaving. Wow. See there, they are behaving, guys. The feeling when you see them feeding. See that feeling? Are you seeing them? Just watch. Just watch. Like you feel very happy. You feel satisfied. You feel like the return is coming soon, 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 soon. Huh? At 3 months, they've gained weight. See this one? Like it's very big. Very, very big. See what? Our young ones are here and the lights are on. You can see. When they see that light, guys, they are really eating. Like no one's business. Wow. See them? Wow, that car feeling, guys. Kalina zimekuwa haraka. Like what? 5 days to go. There will be 2 months exactly. See them? Like I can't believe, guys. I can't believe it. Huh? They've grown so fast. Because they are eating so well. They are eating healthy. And soon I'm going to introduce them to fish meal and the maize flour. I'm gonna mix that to their chick mash because fish meal has a content of protein. And as you all know, protein is very important. Protein is very important. So soon I'm going to introduce them to fish meal and the maize flour. I'm gonna mix with their chick mash, and you will see the way they are going to behave. They gain weight so fast. See them? Guys, I feel very good. That feeling, like everyone would like to feel that. Okay? They're scared. They're scared of me. Let me leave them alone, guys. Let me leave them alone. Guys, it's very encouraging to start this because at a point you are scared. At a point it's a mixed reaction. But right now I feel very great. I feel very good. Kali, Matinda Gyangapi. Just see the way they are doing. Very elegant. I feel very good seeing them healthy and active. Like everyone is eating, running for water. See. Kali, they don't have water. No water. Only this one has got some water. Like everyone is enjoying their supper. You see them? They are really, really, really enjoying. Guys, it feels so good. When you leave, then you come back, you find like everything is good the way you left. On this side, we have our kienyeji. You can see them. They are busy eating too. See our kienyeji. Where is Gully to open for me the door? Wow. They are not so hungry. It's a good feeling. And our kienyeji are here. Kindly book yours now. Festive season is around the corner. Book yours now. See our kienyeji here. That's their home. Oh, guys, it's been a while. Let me go and see my kitchen garden. The way it's doing. I have a kitchen garden. If you've been watching my videos, you will see the way we are doing well in the village. See, guys, we are really doing great. Are you seeing my veggies? Like this one is organic manure, guys. These are the droppings from our chicken. Nothing go for a waste. It's very good. This is an organic manure, and that's why, let me show you my veggies, because they are really doing great just because of that organic manure. My veggies are really doing great. Let me show you here. This is a bed. This is cabbage. They've reached a point where I have to transplant them, guys. It's now 30 days. It's enough for transplant, which we're gonna do tomorrow without fail, because if they pass this stage, it's not good. See my kales, like big leaves, big leaves, guys. See, very fresh. Here in the village, we eat fresh, like everything is fresh. We have tomatoes, we have onions, we have chickens, soon having eggs, like everything is sorted. I just harvested my tomatoes yesterday. Another one remained here. Like I feel so good because these, see how my veggies are? Like they have big leaves, very fresh. How you see, guys? Wow. Very big leaves. They are very fertile. Why? Because of the organic manure. The droppings from our chicken. That is the organic manure that helps me here. I don't buy fertilizers. See your cabbage. So we're gonna plant them now. 30 days already. This is what we planted here. The cabbage F1, Gloria F1, that is hybrid. This is hybrid, guys. Gloria F1. See, like all are okay. Cabbage. We are soon taking them to the big farm. We are removing them from the bed the big farm now because they are now 30 days old. Yeah, 30 days. Then from there, we're gonna take another 90 to 120 days. Yeah. Cabbage is always gets ready in 90 to 120 days. Then we're gonna harvest our cabbage. Hi, Lucky. How are you doing? How are you doing? Yeah, guys. Our cabbages are ready for the transplant. You can see them, very healthy. And I was scared if they stay for long, like the stems will go weak, but they're still okay. The stems are okay, you can see. Yeah, the stems are okay. We even have sugar cane, guys. This sugar cane, like this small kitchen garden, holds everything. So by tomorrow we're gonna do the transplant of our cabbage, F1 Gloria hybrid. See how they are doing. But the big ones are Sukuma Wiki, the kales. These are kales. These ones are kales. You can see the difference. The small ones are cabbages. From the bed, we're gonna do the transplant. We did 2 beds. Like, let me show you another one. That one was the first bed that has already reached 30 days. We have another bed here, and this one is around 20 days, but they look small. They really look small. You see, this is another bed. Wow, like everything germinated. All the cabbages germinated. You see? You see? That one is cabbage, this one is cabbage too. So we're gonna take the first batch to the farm. Then after 15 days, we're gonna take the second batch. And this side, we have our bulb onions. I don't know if you're able to identify, but I can identify. You can see it's like a grass, somehow grass. That is the bulb onion, guys. Now you see? Are you seeing them? That is the bulb onion. So this bed holds the bulb onions. Happy Farmer is here. Like, everyone can start this. Pick an idea from here. Start your seed bed. Start your kitchen garden. Start your poultry keeping. Start your dairy farming. Yeah. Like, you can do it, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. Like, everyone can do it. Dedicate yourself and your time. You can do it. Oh, on this side, my chicken ate my spinach. You can see, while I was away, I don't know what happened. But you see the leaves of the spinach. Oh my Lord, see, like they left the chicken, they got inside here, and they ate everything. See, this is so bad. This is my spinach, guys. Not so good. Okay. And we are preparing another space here. Already it has an organic manure. You can see the droppings from our chicken. We are soon planting some vegetables here. We give it some time for the organic manure to decompose. You can see they're still fresh, but in 2 weeks time it will be very fertile. The soil will be very fertile, guys. Like home is green. Home is green. Home is green. See this side. My potatoes. My potatoes. Hey, our cow is here. Our cow is home. Guys, you see? It's very big, very huge. We are soon getting milk. You can guess what I'm talking about. I'm soon getting milk from that cow. Soon. Guess what I'm talking about? It's about to give us an offspring. It's about to give birth. We are soon drinking milk, pure milk. No time that pure milk like this. Like life is just very cheap over here, very interesting. Like everything moves smooth, very smooth. See my potatoes? Like home looks very green. So guys, watch my videos to the end. Cynthia Ngwedango, my spinach. Like guys, see what she's doing. Kuku ilisikula. Nimeona leaves haziko. Kienyeji. Gwen ma kienyeji ka. Stay mingi. Hiyo ingine bado ziko mingi. The other one, yeah. Like life in up country, guys, it's very cheap, affordable. Only if you work hard. You have to work hard. Nothing comes on a silver platter. You have to work hard for it. For this kitchen garden to look the way it is, it's not easy. It's being maintained. Yeah? So subscribe. Guys, watch my videos to the end. Like and share. Watch my videos to the end. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Lynette Solar Travels. Travel with me. For those who traveled with me to Mbita Rusinga, we really enjoyed the ride. Ferry on water. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch my videos to the end. There we go. Keep tuned. Like hot videos are coming along. Subscribe. It's time to sleep now. We're gonna take them in. They're really stubborn. If you don't take them in, they will stay there. See now? Some are already in, lights are on. You see them? We want to make sure everyone is in. Get in, get in. Get in. Shh. Get in. They just think we are giving them food again. No. Just go in. It's time to get inside. It's time to get inside. Get inside. Get inside. They will eat until they see darkness. Get in, like get in. Everyone should get inside. It's time to sleep. I'm gonna put them inside, guys. Yeah.